Right then guys, now move on to the unboxing of some rare mini Z's. So, okay, now these items came from France, pretty cool, and yeah, I mean, I did not think I'd get these things in Europe, but I was pretty happily surprised to see that I could get them. I'll just take them out of the box. The bottle's moving around a bit. Okay, so 3 are boxed and 1 was used, kind of. Let's have a look. Right, where should I start? Right, okay, let's get on. What is this bad boy? Let's have a look. Get the tape off. So this was a seller from France called David. I'm trying to remember his eBay name. His eBay name was, I think his eBay name is David something. Sorry David, you know who you are. Right, and yeah, I got these cool things off him, and also he had a cool rally car. Now, I've got quite a few rally cars, guys, you know, if you've seen my other unboxings. But they're mainly Subarus. I want something a little bit different, and he had a really cool Mitsubishi Lancia Evo X shell. So that was an adorable that I put in with him. Okay, now this is pretty rare, guys. There's no packing with this, but yeah. I know there's glare, guys, don't worry, they'll be on a display stand. That's nice, isn't it? So that's Subaru. And that is pretty rare, because sellers in Japan are selling that for a small fortune, guys. Hard to get hold of. And he had it. He had some. He must be one of them guys who bought some and like stored them away, because he had some kind of rare stuff. And like I say, before Brexit happens, I want to get stuff from Europe if I can. So, okay, put that there. Let's go to another. I think another Subaru that he had, which I remember RC Adventures, RC Sparks. He had this one, nice shell. He picked out some good ones when he went to Mini Z's. He picked out a nice Audi shell for his Mini Z's. And he also picked out this Subaru, which is a nice shell. Now, I didn't realise it had become rare. Really hard to get hold of, guys. And a lot of people are asking for a lot of money to come away from the body. Not gonna look very pretty right now, yeah. Okay, so, here we go. This is the Subaru Impreza WRC 2008, number 5. And it kind of has moved away from the body, but don't worry, it's come away from the mount. I will put that on the display where you won't be getting glare, and you will see it in its full glory. Okay guys, so nice. I like them wheels, and they're all-wheel drive wheels, so that's pretty cool, because kind of limited for what you can do with all-wheel drive wheels. There's not much going on, but I have come to a solution to that problem, guys, and stay tuned for that, because there were some adapters that I heard about ages ago, and then I couldn't find them. I looked on eBay, couldn't find them. Eventually I managed to track some down. I've ordered some, and that basically means I can run my two-wheel drive wheels on my all-wheel drive cars. Oh, this is a beauty, and this costs a pretty penny, guys. Let's have a look at this. So this is the 2007 Cadillac Escalade. It's in black with chrome, and wheels are massive. It's got a real classy look to this, the black and chrome look. I know we've got glare, guys. I know we've got glare, just bear with me. Okay. Don't see them every day now, guys. Trust me, you don't. You do not, especially in Europe. You can get them in America, and you can get these in Japan. but you're talking £200. A lot of money. So David has some cool prices for me, so it's paying like a third of what I'd normally pay. Even less. Isn't that a beauty, guys? So that's going to go on the Overland, because if you remember the unboxing, I am not a fan of pink. Who wants to drive a pink Hummer? Makes it look a little bit more realistic when we have these running in our racing bids. Okay, that's the first wave done, guys. And there goes my cat. Thank you for coming to my video. Oh, no, it's not. Last but not least. Now, I would never really go for the retro stuff, right? But seeing as I've got the wheel adapters, guys, I thought these are some really 70s pimped out kind of wheels, yeah? It just looked so wild. I would never ever pick this car, but I thought, you know what, just to do like a freak video and like breaking the stuff with my little blade gun. Oh man, oh blade gun. Oh, that's Saturday. Okay, please do not break. Right, have a look at this, the ultimate pimp mobile. It's the wheels, guys. You know me and deep dish wheels. Oh my god, I became a sucker for them. Look at them deep dish wheels. Isn't that crazy? I mean, I'm going to do a video where I have drag racing Mini Z's, and can you imagine that? It's like some of them Starsky and Hutch, man, I don't know. But it's got deep dish wheels, I like deep dish wheels. And that is one funky wheel. So, I would never go and buy something like that, guys, but it was looking pretty cool. That is so retro, man. That is a killer. Yeah, so that's the first batch done, guys. Okay, we are going to move on to the next batch. And the next batch is going to be... What is it going to be? Oh, okay. I have, in this series, guys, I've got the Fast and Furious cars. Oh my god, you need to watch that. So guys, we've got the Subaru Impreza, and this is the WRC World Rally Champion 2008. And getting them in black is pretty rare, guys. So as I say, guys, a few decals on there, you can get it out. I've got the Subarus as well, so I can use them wheels on them as well. So all-wheel drive wheels are a bit dry, guys. You don't really seem to have many designs. There seems to be more in the two-wheel drive versions. So that's just a plus, having some extra wheels like that to put on. And I've got chassis that are ready for Subarus anyway, so that'll just fit onto them straight away. So it should be pretty cool. So obviously there's this one, and then the World Rally Championship one that I've got, which is like the hatchback version, which is pretty cool. So let's move on to another one that came in this batch. Okay, hopefully there's not too much glare on the videos. And this is a bad boy. So we've got the 2007 Cadillac Escalade, but the black with chrome trim looks kind of amazing, guys. Tinted out windows as well. And the wheels, I think these are the first Overland wheels that I've seen where the rims actually look big. You know, like the way people actually do have them. Massive rims. This seems to be one of the longer shells out of the Overland body shells. Kind of hangs out at the back. So I don't know if the mounting might be a bit different. But yeah, we can look at it in its full glory without glare or smudge marks or dust marks. It's a kind of crisp, classy body shell, guys. The black and the chrome just looks fantastic. And I much prefer this to the pink Hummer shell that they brought out, which was just atrocious. the wheels were rubbish. I like the fact that the rims are massive on these. It's realistic. It'll fit in perfectly on my street scenes, my car chases. It will, as an extra, or even as something that's added in there. I was going to change it into like an SUV police car, but I think it looks pretty cool as it is. So that's pretty classy. I was wondering if it would fit the Mini Z Monster chassis, but I got the X5 on there, but I don't think that's going to fit on there because it's got this step at the bottom. So I think you'll catch your wheels on there if you try and mount it. But I like that. Out of all the shells that they brought out for the Overland, I've got to say that's probably my favourite. And that black and chrome looks fantastic. Looks amazing. Goes together really well. So yeah, I'd love to have that driving around on my street scenes. And guys, be ready for them police chases, street scenes that are coming up. This is going to be one of the stars of it. And hopefully you can see it in its full glory without glare. So it should be pretty cool. That could just sit on there all day. Yep, so I mean, to get these in Japan, you're talking £200. In America, they're paying customs as well as that. Pretty rare. It's pretty fortunate to get hold of this from France, and it worked out to be pretty cool. So, proper happy about that. Right, let's move on to the others. So here we've got the Subaru guys, and this is the World Rally Champion Edition 2008. This is number 5, all-wheel drive version. Again, I like them wheels. I definitely will be using them. Unfortunately, there's a bit of an accident, and as it came to me, the spoiler had kind of broken off, which I'm not too happy about, but I'll contact the seller about that. But apart from that, it all just seems kind of cool. Nice shell. You probably would have noticed that RC Adventures was running that when he was doing the Kyosho Mini races in his garage. Nice looking shell, guys. Definitely like the wheels because I'm going to use them wheels in other places. But yeah, funky shell, nice decals, and yeah. I did a rally video, guys. I don't know if you've seen it. It would, you know what? It was just on my track, my drift track, and it kind of smashed it. It got like almost 500 views in 2 days. Did alright. People seem to like that video, and I thought, you know, if I've got some other rally cars, I've got a Mitsubishi Lancia, Evo X coming, so I thought, right, I'm going to have some racing chase rally vids as well. So yeah, so stay tuned, watch out for that, guys. That should be coming on there. And last but not least, guys, we have got the Pimpmobile, the Skyliner. Alright, let's have a look at this little bad boy. Isn't that just mad? I mean, to say, guys, that was probably like the dawn of its time, yeah? Look at that spoiler, man. It's like shrunken inwards. And the way it's all blocky and, you know, elongated. It is, wow. That is, I'm telling you, that would have been the machine. People are like, wow, look at that. Like the way I look at the NXX GT and the way it's like blown out and stuff like that, would have been the dawn of its time. And I can't believe it. It looks so weird. But I did like the wheels, man. I thought, because I'm going to put some two-wheel drive wheels, like these wheels, onto the all-wheel drive cars. And I thought, for a drifting car, them wheels will look fantastic. They look really cool. So, yeah, that's a blast from the past. Pretty rare, pretty hard to get hold of. And as you know, guys, you know, this is my rare Kyosho Mini Z unboxing. But yeah, that definitely is one retro car. It's got some real nostalgia behind it. And that would have been like a dream car for a lot of people back in the day. So, I don't remember that. Hopefully, yeah, I'm not that old, I don't think. But anyway, it looks kind of funky, and I did like the wheels, and, you know, I thought it'd make a nice little addition. We'll put it in there. I'm going to do like a drag racing video at some point where I've got all my Mini Zs that I'm going to drag race and a nice little stretch. So that's going to be in that drag racing vid as a guest car race, super racer. So yeah, it's funky. I don't know. It's got like holes for the lights. So I don't. Let's check it apart. I'm just shocked at that spoiler, man. It doesn't even cover the whole back part of the car. Just like a little bit sticking out. See how much cars have evolved over time and how blocky it is. I mean, it's not great on air resistance. It doesn't have like a smooth shape to it. But yeah. Okay, right. That's that one done, guys. Yep. So after this, have a look at the other vids, guys, of the rare Kyosho Mini Zs that I'm unboxing. There's some real cool stuff on the other vids as well, guys, in this little series, and they're not done yet. There's more stuff to come, so stay tuned for that. Okay, guys, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, because there's going to be some crazy stuff coming up. And hit the notification bell, because you do not want to miss out. Okay, guys, so look out for the other videos that are coming. There's some real cool Kyosho Mini Z stuff that's going to be uploaded really soon. Okay, thank you very much, guys.